Hey folks, Etch Series, also known as Audible Agent here, just doing a quick video to let you know that the Epic Etch Series 2 pack lock is now available. It's live on the website. As of the time of recording this, there are about 38 of the original 50 left. Just thought I'd give you a close-up of this new version of the lock. On the front, you've got a Delta Defender. I think I talked about this in my last video in great detail. Just some cool graphics going on. Let's see, maybe I can get a little bit closer. Kind of a screaming, skeletal, hooded entity there. On the sides, you've got the branding for 44 Delta. And then on the back, you of course have another graphic, and you've got the serialized number. In case anybody's not aware, there are technically 51 of these locks, but I only list 50 for sale. Those are numbers 1 through 50. Those are the ones that go on sale. Number 0, as it was the case for the original Epic Etch lock, is for me to keep. So, yeah, this is available now. Go snag one while they are still available. Again, the key is etched with the 44 Delta logo. That's basically it. Just wanted to let you guys know in case you weren't subscribed to my store email list. And if in case somebody does have the first one and they're wondering how these would look side by side. There you go. There you go. All right, that's it. Just a quick message. Hope you guys have a great evening. Bye-bye.